shosho mfethu sesibone shosha came across le video lena zingenza kwethu umuntu okufika wazwa reasonable umuntu okufika zingenza kwethu like wow this guy isho abantu abaningi behlabe kumikhwele bethu wow yazi insizwa yalikhuluma iqiniso iyasho ukuthi ayi as much as vele phela lento ingekho in favor of us thina abantu bokufika but at the end of that day we have to understand ama-enga abantu base-South Africa ukuthi no man labantu laba bafundile bagogoda bachithi isikhathi sabo esikoleni befunda then all of a sudden thina abantu bokufika siyafika yabo then thina sesiyovuma thina ukusebenzela u-30 rand shuthi labantu laba bona abafundile abafundethi ngosuku baholo o-600 abangabusayithola phela imisebenzi ngoba thina sikhona thina so thatha u-30 rand so lokufika ukuthi I fully understand that yabo ubefix ukuthi kuthiwa ade khona nje adingenziwa ngayo but uthi nje ayi leyo ke ayi uyayibona futhi uyayibonisisa ukuthi ayi yona yeah kufanele phela ukuthi noma ushaya wazi ubona nje lento ukuthiwa nami ishaya kumina ngabe ubuhlungu ngiyabuzwa so but anyways ngisho nizwe le clip lena just ukuthi nithwala ukuthi ngempela abantu bokufika abanye bakwazi ukureason abanye bayi-understand lento eqhubekayo ukuthi kahle it's not about hate in fact it's about like i-reality ukuthi madoda ngiyake phela silambe kanje.
No, the fact what you're saying,
yes.
To be honest, like masi bigger ngendlela right.
Yes.
The government yethu iyona isibangela inkinga esimoshile right. Because mina when we talk the truth,
yes.
I can't blame what the South Africa is doing because they are complaining. And what they are complaining, no matter what I'm doing is not what they do.
Yeah.
But the fact that I'm getting cheaper, because the issue they say, us we accepting cheaper labor than them.
Yes. Yeah.
Now this issue, if you don't think you can think like maybe they are just hating for nothing.
That's right. Yes.
But this is the truth. Umuntu asuke eGhana aye Malawi. Bese siyosebenza ndawonye. Bese mina ngafunda kanzima yabona. And then to get a payment which is cannot even evaluate. It's painful.
Yeah.
At the same time, the main question where we say, what did you learn? Is there any reason that you learn here? As for me now, long time I started came in 2009. Go home, come. But this time around, I have learned something, which is the government from Malawi. If they're not gonna change their systems, like amanyamanzi.
Actually, it's not Malawi on them. Mina nginomuntu osifazane ezwana nawaseLesotho.
Yeah.
People baseLesotho, they're suffering the same thing what is happening here.
Yes.
You know? And they as a result in Johannesburg, lama illegal mining. Abantu baseLesotho laba